Yeah,
Okay,
this
so
is
the
like
altitude limiter is on, I think.
how does it?
It has it knows how high it is for that with that sonar.
So it makes you.
Yeah, so see here it says directional gyro. Should say TV. You can put it into a TV, see what it sees.
Oh, so somebody inside could be looking
Yeah.
at it.
Altitude limited on. Take that off.
And...
And it trims here. When you sit down on a flat surface, you hit trim, and then it knows how to be. There's your mom's car. Okay, ready? We're going to go up.
Wow. Holy cow. Whoa.
You know what it is up
it?
there too? It's windier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that why it went up all of a sudden?
I hit a gust of wind.
So it's like turbulence.
It's like what?
Turbulence then.
Yeah.
So how does it protect from like crashing?
It doesn't.
It doesn't. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, no, 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 no. Please.
Oh shit.